Hello guys and welcome back. So today we have this monthly pill organizer which allows you to put your medication for the morning and for the evening up to 30 days. Alright, so right here we have this pill organizer. This is for a month supply. So the monthly pill box of this Avon plan ahead for your pills. So if you're tired of pulling your medication out of the bottles every day, this is a great option to choose. You can verify with all your medications through Monday through Sunday. Also the dates, which comes included in this box. So we're just going to go ahead and unwrap it. So first off right here, you can see the 30-day pill supply. It comes in pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, teal, purple, and clear. So right here is the pink one. It is for day and night. Now the little sticker on here, you can rub it as many times as you want without it actually removing the little sticker. So they got really good size portions for your pills and your vitamins. So this does come with the 32 individual pill boxes. The size of this is 11-inch long by 7-inch wide by 3-inch high. Each box is 1.22 inch in length, 0.98 inches in width, and 0.94 in height. So this is the clear one. You just pop the little things here aside and they will open up. Just pop it up there like that. So the best thing about this is you can use this 2 times a day monthly medication organizer at home just to grab your pills. If you're on your way out, you pop your medication in there and you're good to go. Same as this one, you can rub it and it will not come off with the sticker. And the great thing about this is you can hold it upside down as long as you don't push these little things in the bottom, and they will not fall out. So they are safe and secure. You do have these fascinating yellow colors. You got yellow, green, orange, red, purple, clear, teal. So those would be representative of the day of the weeks. If you want to take it out, you just pop it in like that. These are BPA free. ABS and PP materials keep you safe. Colorful translucent designs allows you to check whether you've taken your pills, not immediately. So you can see your medication inside these pills. This does come with a free app for your smartphone, which it helps you remind of your medication that is due. You just simply take the photo of your pill by choosing the times for the alarms, and notification will pop up on your phone letting you know when your medication is due. So I just pop this one in here like that. And then you do get little stickers. You get 1 to 32 representing the dates. And then you also get the day of the week, Sunday through Saturday. So you could put the date on the top and you could put the day on the bottom on top of the little plastic. So here's your dates and here is your day of the weeks. Me personally, I would put the days of the weeks, Sunday through Saturday, on the bottom part of the organizer itself and the numbers on top of the little pill. So you put your days of the week down here and then you put the numbers on the top. This just helps you remind you that your medication, so if you see Wednesday on the 5th, just say that you don't remember if you've taken it, you could put on the bottom the date on the top of the pill containers and the day on the bottom of the pill, so you could just remind yourself if you've taken the medication. Also, since they are see-through and clear, you can see if the medication has been taken or not. I just say that this is a bonus that you do get these little stickers so you can remind yourself, and as well you do get an app, so just in case you don't like these numbers or the dates, you can always download the app and it'll remind you of your medication. I think that's an awesome deal.